Emily Carter had finally bought her dream home. She loved the peaceful neighborhood and beautiful surroundings. Everything about the community felt perfect. She never expected her age would become a problem. Only a day after moving in, someone knocked at her door. An HOA officer handed her an official notice. Emily thought it was a simple misunderstanding. Instead, it was the beginning of a surprising dispute. The notice claimed Emily was too young to live there. It also demanded she leave the neighborhood. She couldn't believe what she was reading. Her excitement quickly turned into disbelief. Emily carefully reviewed every document she had signed. She searched for anything she might have missed. Everything appeared completely legal. The paperwork raised even more questions. The HOA board gathered to discuss Emily's case. Karen insisted the rules supported their decision. Several members looked uncertain. The meeting became increasingly tense. Emily decided to consult an experienced attorney. Every document was reviewed page by page. The legal details became much clearer. She finally understood her options. Public records told an important story. The property's legal status deserved a closer look. Facts mattered far more than assumptions. Emily prepared to respond with confidence. Emily answered the notice through proper legal channels. Everything was respectful and professionally written. The HOA could no longer ignore the facts. The disagreement entered a new stage. News spread throughout the neighborhood. Many residents became curious about the situation. Emily stayed calm despite the attention. She trusted the process to reveal the truth. The disagreement finally reached a formal hearing. Both sides prepared to present their evidence. Emily remained calm and confident. The decision would soon determine what happened next. The HOA confidently presented its argument. Karen claimed the community rules were clear. She believed the case was already won. Emily quietly waited for her turn. James carefully presented every official document. Each page supported Emily's ownership. The courtroom listened closely. The facts were becoming impossible to ignore. The county records answered every important question. The property's legal status was clearly documented. Nothing had been hidden during the purchase. The entire courtroom watched in silence. The judge requested additional clarification. Karen struggled to explain several decisions. The courtroom atmosphere quickly changed. Confidence shifted toward Emily's side. Important details had been overlooked. The HOA's position became much weaker. Board members exchanged nervous looks. The outcome was becoming clear. The judge ruled completely in Emily's favor. Her ownership of the home was fully protected. The HOA's enforcement action was dismissed. Months of stress ended with one decision. Emily finally returned home with peace of mind. Her dream house was truly hers. The difficult chapter had finally ended. A fresh beginning was waiting. The community slowly returned to normal. Many residents appreciated the fair outcome. Respect replaced unnecessary conflict. Everyone learned an important lesson. Karen quietly reflected on everything that happened. Sometimes assumptions lead to costly mistakes. Rules should always be applied fairly. The experience changed the entire board. Emily proved that patience and facts matter most. She protected her home through the proper process. Her story inspired many people to stand up for themselves.